Here are 10 proofs that the Earth is actually flat, not round. Robwa for metro.co.uk. A lot of people thought the fact that we all fly around in aeroplanes would put paid to flat Earth theory, the idea that our planet isn't a sphere, but instead a sort of pancake thing. Those people reckoned without the sheer insanity of the World Wide Web. A new book by Eric Dubay, The Atlantean Conspiracy, 200 Proofs the Earth is Not a Spinning Ball, hopes to blow the lid on what he claims is the biggest conspiracy of all time, the fact that world governments are claiming the Earth is round. At first glance it could be a natural object like a meteor or an artificial object like space junk or a satellite, but what made it interesting was that NASA cut the live camera feed just at the moment the UFO seemed to stop just above Earth's atmosphere. If it would have been a recognizable and identified object, then there is no reason to shut down the live streaming, but NASA seems to have a nasty habit of cutting off their live camera feeds every time a UFO enters the frame. Dubay says, NASA and modern astronomy maintain that the moon is a solid, spherical, Earth-like habitation which man has actually flown to and set foot on. They claim the moon is a non-luminescent planetoid which receives and reflects all its light from the sunday. The reality is, however, that the moon is observably not a solid body, it is clearly circular. Here are some of Dubay's proofs that the Earth is flat. The horizon always appears perfectly flat except in NASA and other government pictures, which are obviously faked, as part of the global conspiracy. You never have to look down to see the horizon, no matter how hard you rise. If Earth were a real globe, you'd have to look down. If Earth really was a sphere hurtling through space, the water would be wobbling all over the place, instead of staying flat. If Earth really was a globe, rivers such as the Mississippi would have to flow uphill to reach the sea, flowing uphill 11 miles in its 3,000 mile length. Coldest temperatures in nearly 20 years. If Earth really was spherical, helicopters would be able to hover in place and wait for their destinations to come to them. The railway from London to Liverpool is 180 miles long. If Earth really was a globe, it should be 5,400 feet high over Birmingham. Woman decapitated. If Earth really was a globe, airline pilots would constantly have to adjust their controls so as not to fly off into space. If there actually were billions of stars in the night sky, flat earthers think there aren't, the entire sky would be full of light. If Earth was constantly spinning, aeroplanes would never be able to reach their destinations due to the 500 miles per hour headwind. If Earth really is spinning, bullets fired upwards would land hundreds of feet westwards. They don't. For more update on flat Earth, please like our page and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.